Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I'm here with a little rebate haul from Walmart and also Kroger. It's a really good time. It actually was a moneymaker today. And mainly that is from Swag Bucks, which I love Swag Bucks. Love that app. Now, if you're needing more of a tutorial on Swag Bucks, I saw Saving with Shay, did a whole entire video all about Swag Bucks. I will have that in the description box below because she did a really good job at explaining it. I don't think I do a very good job at it since I'm so new at Swag Bucks. So, yeah. So I'll have that linked in the description box below. So I'm going to dive right in. I have some Walmart action, and over here is a tiny Kroger haul. This ends today, so not everyone can do it, but there is an alternative that I will give you from Walmart. All right. I know a lot of you have these for $1.97, but around here they're $2.98. There's $1 off printable from the Crunchmaster site. I'll have in the description box below. There is $1 Ibotta and $1 checkout 51 rebate, making this a free item, and it counts towards the bonus. I was working towards a new bonus. $2 if I did 6 rebates, and I did hit that. All right, the Big Soda, this is a huge moneymaker. They're $3.27. There's a $4 checkout 51 with a limit of 3, so it makes it a money-making deal. The Excedrin is $3.88. I had a $2 coupon from this week's insert, as well as a $2 savings start, making it a freebie. All right, I finally found this Johnson's 4-ounce. This is not in the baby section. This is over by like the flushable wipes and stuff. It just caught my eye. It was $1.96. $1 off internet printable. Scans just fine. I'll have that in the description box below to print. And there's $1 Ibotta. So it's a freebie. Aquafresh toothpaste, $1.67. 50-cent printable on their site. There's a 75-cent Ibotta, and I just counted the 25-cent any item for this. So this is like with tax around 29 cents. I know it's not good, but in the bonus, it all worked out. Then we have the Barilla pasta sauce. This is on a rollback price of $1.77. I had $1 off coupon from this weekend's insert and a $1 savings star, making it a little bit of a moneymaker. Right, this was awesome. The Coffee Mate Seasonal Creamer, the 32-ounce. Swag Bucks has a promotion. If you buy 2, they're going to give you back 800 points or whatever, and that's the equivalent of $8. These are only $2.87, so I paid like $5 something and got back $8 from Swag Bucks, which talk about an awesome deal on that. That was phenomenal. The Kiwi. I'm going to give these out as gifts, even though it's free, and I don't know if the people will even use it, but you know what? It's free, so why not? These were $11.68 at my local Walmart. There's a deal on Swag Bucks. If you buy 2 of them, they're going to give you back $15. And Ibotta's running a rebate where you get $4 back on each. So this ends up being after tax, after you use the Ibotta and you do the Swag Bucks. There is a coupon, but it beeped, and I wasn't in the mood to have anyone come over. The cashier, I heard her talking about how bad her day was. So I was like, I'm not going to come over here and try to decipher whether this coupon is valid. I didn't know if it was on this product. So I just, you know what, it's fine. Still a money-making deal after all. Okay, so after you do the Swag Bucks and the Ibotta, it winds up being like 75 cents for the 2 of these plus sales tax, which, hey, what a deal. I'm happy with that. But in the bonus, in the big scheme of things, phenomenal. So that was Walmart, and let's do Kroger now. The Carefree, these are on the mega sale for $1.99. It's going to end today. There was $1 off coupon, or 50-cent printable on the Carefree site, but you could do this at Walmart because they're only $2.38 there, so this is an option. 50-cent printable from their site, and there's also $1.25 Ibotta. So it's like Kroger was only a quarter. Walmart would be a little more, but hey, you can make it work. This was a Kroger. These Energizer Batteries were $3.50. There's a $1.25 coupon. I have no idea what insert that came in. There's also a $1 Ibotta. So this was a dollar something, $3.50. Okay, so $1.25, which was good enough for me. And then the Fordo coffee shots. These are the free Friday from a couple weeks ago. I'm not even sure. I can't even remember for the life of me if I loaded it this week. I didn't on most. I think I loaded it this week's free Friday on just one card. I don't know what I was thinking. So I didn't get it, but I got the Fordo. That was a good deal. All right, so here's the BD. Physically out of my pocket, I paid $52.76. Net after rebates, after all the overage, 51 cents. Like for all this stuff, but it gets even better because I did 6 rebates. So I got a $2 bonus, making it a $1.49 moneymaker for all these products between Walmart and Kroger today. Phenomenal deal. Love it. Good time I'm doing Ibotta. It's been a little bit since I've had this good of a haul. Well, I don't know, I think I did one last week or something, but I love doing these kinds of hauls. It's a really good transaction today. So yeah, that's all that I have for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.